Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. Christmas is coming. I cannot believe it. It is next week. So many things to do, presents to wrap, presents to still buy. Busy times. So even with doing all that, I still do videos. I still have to do tumblers. Canada Post has been forced back to work by the government or whoever forced them back to work. So they finally went back on the job on Tuesday of this week. So I shipped out all my parcels. I had like 20 packages. So if you have ordered stuff, bought paintings, ordered tumblers, they are finally on their way to you. Please be patient because they are extremely backlogged now for being on strike for an entire month. But they're coming. You should have your tracking numbers and emails and everything. So I'm so excited about that. Unfortunately, you probably won't get it by Christmas, but my hands were tied. All right, let me show you guys some resined results from, I don't know what I have and haven't shown you. So if you've already seen these, you get to see them again. This one is a 20-inch round. And it's got the purples and the golds and it looks perfect. Even the back is perfect. Look at that. So this one is on canvas, 20 inches, available for purchase. And then I have, actually, let's put it backwards in case I splatter it. We don't want to do that. Then this one is on canvas as well. This is my Halo Bloom. So you've got the boastful, see, turquoise, purple, turquoise, purple. Oh, it's so pretty. So that is now resined and finished. Also available for purchase. And then this was, no, I lied. That wasn't boastful. That was Hoity Toity. This is boastful. This one's on a wood round. The other two were on canvas. And this one was boastful, sorry. The other one was Hoity Toity, but oh, they look so good with resin on them. I love. So those are available for purchase. If you are interested, you can email me at kanella@gmail.com. I still have 25 calendars. If you're interested in a calendar, I also still am taking orders for tumblers. I'll be in Dallas, Texas, teaching at the TriArt Experience, March 14th to the 16th, www.fluidartexperience.com. If you want information, I'll be teaching the bloom technique. I'll be teaching the blowouts. I'll be teaching resin classes. I'll be teaching all kinds of stuff. So come and see me in Dallas, Texas. Come and see me in Montreal, Canada, April 12th. If you want to come and see me in Montreal, email me, kanella@gmail.com, or come and see me in Spokane, Washington for an all-inclusive lakeside retreat. You get transportation from the airport, your food, your drinks, your booze, your breakfast, your everything is included. You get 3 days of painting with me. And Billy is hosting from Fluid Art Co. All kinds of stuff. It's going to be a great all-inclusive retreat by the lake with your cabin and fireside chats and all of that. So if you want info on that, the link to the website is in the description below my videos. All right, let's get started. Because I've got a lot of stuff to do today. So I got to do this video and get into the workshop in the garage. So base paint is Tricorn Black by Color to Go. And I get this at Sherwin Williams. So that's my base. My cell activator, I remembered it. It is Paynes Gray by Amsterdam mixed with Australian floetrol. And before I get to the colors, because I always seem to forget this, if you want to know how I mix my paints with the Bear Dynasty, the Josonia, my piggies, all of that, and the cell activator, go to video 719. I will link it up here at the top. It is a full bloom tutorial on how to mix your stuff. All right, let me tell you the colors I'm using today. Now the colors I'm using today, I actually are inspired by Lisa Marvin. I was going through her Instagram page and I was looking at all her beautiful blooms, and I saw this one, and I don't know what colors she used because she didn't mention it in the video or in the description on Instagram. Excuse me. So I just looked at what color she used, and I kind of copied the colors with what I have. So here we have, what do we have? Azo Yellow Medium by Amsterdam. Then I've got Fairy Floss by TLP. Then I have another Amsterdam. This is Turquoise Blue. Yes, Turquoise Blue. Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. Then I have this beautiful Sapphire by TLP. Sapphire by TLP. Then we have Grayish Blue by Amsterdam. Then we have Permanent Red Violet by Amsterdam. And then I have Ore. Oh, that's full. By TLP. Ore, I think it's Ore. I'm going to actually split up. No, I'm not. I didn't want to put two Amsterdams together. I originally had Twilight, but I took it out and I put the, it's okay, I'll put them together. It is what it is. I'll leave it. Forget it. Oh, I need gloves. Hold, please. And here I was also proud at myself for remembering the cell activator and not forgetting that. And then what do? I forget the gloves. There's always something I'm going to forget. All right, so got me gloves on. 16-inch canvas. Lowly Veffy mat. Y'all guys got I can't talk. You guys all know about my Lowly Veffy mats. Save 10% all Lowly Veffy products using code Kanella10, lowlyveffy.com. And then of course my spinner. This one is from Erica Hughes. So I am going to be making my own spinners after the holidays. Okay. You guys will see them after the holidays in an upcoming video. All right, let's get some base paint here. Bloop. I'm just kidding. All right, let's get some base paint down. Again, I don't know how much base paint to put. I just do that and swoosh it around, and we'll see if that is enough or not. And I determine that by when I tilt it around. So we get, oops, I didn't mean to rip that. Alrighty, let's tilt this guy. So it looks like some nice flow. Yeah, very good. Looks like I have a decent amount, enough to get it flowing nice and smoothly to the edge. All right. I am going to give it a simple spin just to kind of get it over the edges because I got to get my edges covered. You know what? Forget that. Let's just push it to the edge. And then, oh, actually, this side did actually get to the edge. So I'm going to just get my edges and I'll be right back. All right, let's get our colors down. Alrighty, this should be interesting. This should be like a rainbow of colors by the time I'm done. I think I want to add a bit more. I like squiggling. Squiggles is fun. All right, so now we have fairy floss. If you're on Facebook and you're following me there, you will see, or will have seen, or still continue to see my posts about my daily scammers. People who try to scam me, pretending to want to buy my tumblers or my art, you know, and then I play with them. I make fun of, like, I play along with their stupidity and pretend that, oh, you want to buy my art? And it's quite funny. One of the scammers, I told them, they're like, oh, do you accept PayPal? And, you know, can I send you money through PayPal? And I'm like, no, I only accept Monopoly money. And they're like, what? I'm like, yeah, Monopoly money. I said, you know, I need Monopoly money. Another one, I told them I need gold coins from Super Mario because I needed the gold coins to save Princess Peach from Bowser's Castle. Oh, I love messing with them. And then usually when they eventually realize that I'm trying to mess with them, they block me or they say something very rude, which is funny. And a lot of people are like, oh, why do you bother? Why do you bother to like waste your time? Just block and delete. And I'm like, no, this is fun for me. I find it humorous to waste their time, right? And then like, no, I find it fun. If I don't have time, I won't bother to mess with them. I'll just ignore it or whatever. But, you know, sometimes I have a little time, sit on the couch and I play along with their stupidity. And, you know, then I post it on Facebook so that you guys can see, you know, what these scammers are or what they look like and what they're trying to, you know, just so that you can see. Do I have any bubbles? I do. Hold on. But yeah, I post it so that people are aware of what to look for when it comes to these horrible people, you know? One person said Santa's gonna kill your mom. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't think Santa's gonna do that. Because I said Santa's gonna give him a lump of coal for Christmas. And they're like, Santa, kill your mom. I'm like, okay, sure, no problem. All right, let's put the cell activator down. All right. And let's blow it out real quick. Okay, the yellow is in the middle, which is what I like, but there's also a lot of black in the middle there. Cell activator, so I'm just gonna blow down really hard. Oh yeah, see, look at that. Cells are coming out already. Where's my straw? Let me get my straw. Oh yeah. So actually a straw worked way better. So I literally just did bursts of blowing into the black cell activator there, and all these little cells just came up. It still needs time. I'm gonna blow a bit more, some of the black spots. And then, oh yeah, we shall see what happens. These are gonna be interesting colors for sure. So while that's doing its thing, because you gotta give it a couple of minutes to do its thing. I'm gonna close these guys up. I may speed you up. I'm gonna close these guys up and clean this out of the way. So I'll be right back. Okay, so that's done. And now everything, like, look, there's no more black in the center. So I'm gonna speed up the spinning process and I'll be back when I've decided that's enough spinning. So I'll be right back. I'm done and I love it. Love the yellow. I so love the yellow. Talk about a pop of color right in the middle. But if you could tell when I was spinning, I did stop after the first spin and do just like a few little squiggly lines. But I didn't do the whole thing. But oh my goodness. Oh, wait till you see. Oh yeah. Wait till I show you the close-up. But I love the edges because there are parts, just a few parts that didn't go over the edge. But then, oh, this part here is really pretty. Oh, I cannot wait to show you the close-up. So I'm going to clean this mess up, get rid of it all, put it back on the table, and I will be right back to show you guys a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody, table cleaned, everything's been put away. Look at this. It's so weird that the yellow is basically just in the center. Does it remind me of a sunflower? I don't know, but it's pretty cool that it's only here in the center. And after doing those little blows with the straw, it really got that Paynes gray cell activator out of the way. There's that part I was telling you about. It's like a rainbow. It's so pretty. I cannot wait for this to dry. Look at that. All right, let's check it out with the flash on. All right, so I've got the flash on and it shimmers like a rainbow. Oh, look at that. There's the gold or ori. I don't even know. I think it's pronounced or. But look at that shimmer, my friends. That is amazing. And then let's get here into the center. And even in the center, with all that yellow brick road, follow the yellow brick road yellow, there's still shimmer in there too. Oh, I cannot wait for this to dry so I can show you guys the dried resin results. I love it. Absolutely love it. And there you have it, everyone. I would love to know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Please comment. Let me know what you think. I'm really loving the blooms. I'm going to stick to the blooms for now. I'm having a lot of fun using my TLP piggies. But yeah, if you have any comments or questions, put them down below. Everything you need to know is in the description regarding all the retreats and the classes I'll be teaching at. Discounts for crystal resin, lowly vefi, bare woods, all kinds of stuff in the description below. So yeah, that is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.